This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a little case to help store your rings and your earrings and your necklaces while you're on vacation or maybe just at home, this is the perfect thing. So what I love about it is how compact it is. It has a zipper that goes all the way around, so anything that you put in here is going to stay in here, which is super important for traveling. It's always so hard to bring jewelry while you're traveling and on vacation because things always get lost. It has all of these nice spots here to stick your rings, and then it has little cubby holes for anything that you want to use it for. You want to use it for earrings, you want to use it for extra rings, maybe you want to put your necklaces in there, and then it has spots up here for you to dangle things, and even a little pouch here. Has that nice velvet feel to it, that softness. That way when you put your rings in it, you're not worried that they're going to get scratched up. Like they're going to be taken care of while they stay in your to-go box. I use this for everything. I needed something in my room that would help contain my jewelry, but I also wanted something that when I traveled that I could take it with me. If you're looking for gift ideas, this one would be perfect for anyone that loves to travel, and it's not going to hurt your budget, but it looks super cute and everyone's going to love it. And that's my point of view.